Now we are going to discuss about ellipse, unit 1, plane curves and freehand sketching. The subject is engineering drawing and modeling. So ellipse, the shape. So day by day life, we were facing the shape of ellipse. In watermelon, outer surface is looking like front view of this watermelon is the shape of ellipse. And earth, moon's rotating path is like ellipse. And also the football ground, the outer wall is looking like ellipse shape. And also our fingerprint is looking like ellipse shape. So this is the exact drawing we are going to draw. So this red line is our ellipse. So in this problem we used to go step by step. Kindly watch. So construction an ellipse when the distance of the focus from the director is equal to 50 mm and eccentricity is 2 by 3. So in previous class we were discussed about eccentricity. So 2 by 3 equal 0.667. The value is less than 1. So usually E equal less than 1 means that is ellipse shape. So E equal to 1 means that is parabola. E greater than 1 means that is hyperbola. Now E equal to 2 by 3. The value is PF divided by PC. Right? Now 2 is PF, 3 is PC. So what is PF, PC? Focus and the center point. Now you can add 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we need to divide the 50 mm as a 5 parts. So AB is a directrix. The center point of AB is C. Now we used to draw the focus from C to 50 mm. We need to take C to focus is 50 mm. So mark the 50 mm in axis vertical line 50. Here C to F we need to divide 5 sectors. C to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sectors. So the PF is there, right? So here is F. The point is in between the C and F. E equal to VF divided by VC. The V vertex is placed in between C and F. So VF equal to 2, VC equal to 3. V vertex F means focus, that is 2 divided by VC means 3. Now from the F 2 sectors 1, 2 sectors, that is V. From C 3 sectors, that also V. Yes, VC 3. From C 1, here 1, 2, 3. So that also fine. So from this base we need to draw a ellipse. See VF how much? 2 sectors. Take that value and draw the vertical line from the V. So we will got E. Just connect CE, draw the straight line, slanting line. Now we need to divide this axis line as a equal parts. Usually we used to take 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, right? 10 mm from V, 10 and 10. It will cross F means also, that is no issue. So divided divide the axis 10 10 10 in as much as possible. Now from after we take the point names 1 1 dash 2 2 dash, like that. The axis point is 1, the CE, that slanting line, is dash dash dash, like that we used to take. Now we need to take a tabular column, take arc of radius, and that side plot arc, like that. Two tabular column we used to draw. The purpose of putting the arc. Now 1 1 dash, take the compass, 1 1 dash, take that length 1 1 dash in compass, put it in the F, yes, and cut in first line, like that. 2 2 dash, 3 3 dash, 4 4 dash, it will goes on. Now take 1 1 dash in your compass, put it in F, put the arc top of one line and down of one line, and 2 2 dash, take that length, put it in F, and put the arc into the top and bottom. Now take 3 3 dash radius of your compass, put it in F, the center of F, and cut 3 lines, top and bottom. 4, take 4, put it in F, cut 4 top and 4 bottom. Take 5, like that. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and the last point is 12. It will come in the axis line itself. Now we have 12 points, right? So that is not an issue. Take 12 to 12 dash and keep it in F as a center. Cut the 12 point. It will cut the E axis point itself. Yes. Now here the ellipse, for my convenient, we used to draw a side. This is ellipse. So here vertex is this side, left hand side is also a vertex, right hand side, that 12th point also a vertex. Yeah, that 12th point also a vertex. So after cutting the all vertical lines, you just draw with thick lines as this red lines. You need to thicken the line. So now this side vertex V, right hand side vertex we used to take V dash. That same thing we need this, we need to draw the directric A, B, this side right hand side A dash, B dash, like that. The C also C, C dash. Yes. Now we need to draw tangent and normal. Can take any point of the curve. I am taking the 4th down point. So from that point I am drawing the line towards F. So the straight line, from that straight line I used to take 90 degree from the F and draw. I'm drawing the line towards directrix, right hand side directrix. That will cut it in the AB line. I am taking number of name is T. From T I am joining the P line. So from TP straight line we used to draw the 90 degree line from the P. This P 90 degree line. This green line TP is a tangent. This for in the P point we used to draw the 90 degree, that is normal. Yes, hope we understood about the ellipse. So next I used to give the assignment as a sample questions. We'll solve the questions. Thank you.